Today I will show you how to grow water spinach with a self-watering system method. Follow the steps. How to make a self-watering pot using used bottles. Video link on description. In this video I use Cocopeat growing media. Cocopeat is a growing medium that has a fairly high water absorption capacity and can store more water than in the soil. Cocopeat can store and retain water 100 times better than soil, and this is very good for root growth, of course, for plants that grow with a hydroponic system. Because it can retain water well, plant roots do not dry out easily and can be well hydrated by air and sunlight. For information, before using Cocopeat, it must be cleaned of the tannins contained in it so that it is safe to use, considering that the tannin substance can actually inhibit plant growth. Okay, the planting medium is ready. The first thing we do is prepare the water spinach seeds. Seeing the quality of seeds can simply be done using the help of water tools and containers. Put the seeds in a container filled with water. Seeds that are soaked in water, if the quality is good, will sink. On the other hand, seeds with poor quality will float in the water. After this, it's time to fill the air at the bottom of the pot. This pot utilizes the principle of capillary power to maintain the condition of the growing media so that it is always moist. By using the self-watering pot technique, gardening becomes very, very effective. In addition to saving water, you don't have to bother with irrigating because you don't need to water the plants every day, just once every 3 to 4 days fills the water reservoir. A self-watering pot is a container or place for plants that is made to be able to irrigate plants by the container itself automatically. In order for water spinach to thrive and harvest quickly, treat water spinach by providing fertilizer for kale plants on the 10th or 15th day after planting. The type of fertilizer I use this time is liquid organic fertilizer Jadam version. How to make liquid organic fertilizer Jadam version? Video link on description. In the cultivation of water spinach are often constrained by pests and diseases that can affect the growth and development of kale plants. For that, spray organic pesticides periodically. How to make effective organic pesticides at home? Video link in description. Harvest time. Very happy today. I will harvest the water spinach that I planted myself. I'm planning to make stir-fried water spinach. Follow the next video.